The Maharashtra Chief Minister has indicated that they are going to seek legal recourse in the dance bar case, and Fadnavis tweeted saying, and I quote him here, "We respect the Supreme Court order. However, we are principally against opening of dance bars. Will explore all legal options including legislative intervention." The Supreme Court today asked the Maharashtra government to implement its earlier order on dance bars. The court asked the state government to decide within 2 weeks the hotelier's application seeking the grant of license for running dance bars in the state.
हाँ, कोर्ट ने ऐसा कहा है कि जो भी आपके जो निर्देश है, जो भी आपका लॉ है नए लाइसेंस होल्ड करने के लिए, जो नए लाइसेंस इशू करते हैं उसमें आप स्ट्रिक्ट फॉलो करें। हमारे डायरेक्शन से लाइसेंस दो, लेकिन वो किस दिशा में देने हैं, किस कंपार्टमेंट में देने हैं, किस चौकट में देने हैं, वो गवर्नमेंट को डिसीजन लेना है। और आने वाले 10 फरवरी को फिर से इस पर सुनवाई रखी गई है और हमें विश्वास है 10 फरवरी को कोर्ट हमें न्याय देगा और महाराष्ट्र में फिर से एक बार डांस बार बैन होंगे।
जिस डांस बार को पूरे महाराष्ट्र ने नकारा है और महाराष्ट्र के दोनों सभागृहों ने जिसको एक मत से कानून तैयार करके बंद किया है, वो शुरू न हो, ये मूलतः हमारा मत है। सन्माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाचा कोणताही निर्णय, त्या निर्णयाचा आम्ही
All right, so David Fadnavis there, the Maharashtra Chief Minister, clearly saying that they will seek legal recourse and look at this entire issue of the court's order on reopening of dance bars, rather giving licenses to some of them which are pending with the state government. He says that in principle, the government is opposed to the reopening of dance bars or giving licenses for dance bars, and therefore they could also look at some sort of legislative intervention there. Kamlesh Rathar is now joining us with more details on the phone line. Kamlesh, you know, the Chief Minister has made it amply clear that his government is not in favor of giving licenses for dance bars. Now, the court has given them 2 weeks' time, so how soon are we likely to see a legislative intervention?
Well, indeed, the Maharashtra government stand has been there since A1. Even when last time the order had come in, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis has clearly said that the state government principally is of the opinion that they are not in favor of the dance bars opening. Now, since the decision has come in today and the Chief Minister is speaking about legislative intervention, this will be the first week of the winter session that will be starting in Nagpur on the 7th.
Okay.
So, on the perhaps couple of days, the Maharashtra legislative, we can see a motion being moved in Maharashtra saying that's a possibility because since the time Maharashtra government has is of 2 weeks and logically speaking the winter session also begins in the during that period. So the first couple of days of winter session of Maharashtra Assembly could see a legislative intervention and the Maharashtra government taking a decision on that.
All right, Kamlesh Bhai, thanks for joining us with all those details. With that, we're taking a very quick break. News and updates will continue after a short break with Smita Sharma. Stay tuned.
You are watching India Today.
Hurry up, Nitin.
Yeah. शाम को 6:30 बजे.
हिस्सों की लोरी में कुछ किस्से जोड़े, आधे तेरे आधे मेरे.
पता है नितिन, शादी से पहले मैं ज्यादा इंडिपेंडेंट थी.
अखियों में हमने जो सपने सजाए,
रेड की ग्रे, कीमत भी कुछ कीमती भी. OLX बेच दे.
Is your policy better be safe than sorry? Is your policy not to trust insurance agents? Is it your policy to sift and compare before choosing the right insurance for you and your family? Your policy is our policy. Policy Bazaar, a special impact feature. At these times,
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में, तगड़ी तड़क भड़क में, ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में।
Hi, I am Ved. Share your travel stories on GeoChat and a few lucky ones will get a chance to tell me their stories in person. Download GeoChat now.
तो फिर डंग 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 डंग
Experience high contrast and definition with bright, vibrant colors through Kodak Lens technology. Kodak Lens. See the colors of life.
इबादत की थी सपनों की, दुआ में ख्वाब मांगे थे, क्यों पूरे हो नहीं सकते आसमानों से जवाब मांगे।
नि स ग म म म नि प म ग नि प म ग स नि प म नि स प स। जहाँ तक याद आती रहेगी।